What's the first thing most people do when they wake up? Almost half of us pick up our phones, including Jack, the head of real estate operations for a global enterprise. Each day, Jack works to maximize cash flow and improve operations and sustainability across a portfolio of hundreds of diverse buildings and facilities around the globe. That's why he got Honeywell Forge, to connect all his people, places, and assets so he can reduce complexity and modernize the way his enterprise operates. Now he starts his day by reviewing the Honeywell Forge Smart Building Score, which aggregates data to score building performance across the categories Jack cares about most. These simple site-to-site comparisons help him decide where to focus to drive the biggest improvements. On the way to work, he's thinking about his healthy building strategy. Bringing employees back to a healthier workspace is a big deal, and the Honeywell Forge Healthy Building Score summarizes air quality, pollutants, safety compliance, and other important metrics for each of his buildings at a glance. As he approaches his office, technology from Sign, a Honeywell company, uses the building's geofence to trigger a reminder for Jack to check in and certify his health before entering. Once inside, he uses the same app for touchless access, while thermal cameras run a biometric scan and log his temperature. On the way to his office, he passes the Healthy Building dashboard, where every occupant can view air quality, occupancy, and other metrics to feel reassured as they work. At his desk, the temperature is just right because the Honeywell Forge Energy Optimization app is continuously tweaking the building's HVAC system to optimize energy use and maintain comfort levels. Automating these systems helps Jack meet his sustainability goals and keep energy costs in check across his portfolio. Looks like Jack's visitor has arrived. With a few clicks, he lets her know he'll be waiting in the meeting room as she checks in and has her photo taken for facial recognition. Now she can navigate to the conference room. As their meeting begins, everyone feels confident in the room because the air is being filtered, the surfaces are continuously sanitized, and social distancing is being measured by the apps on their phones. Afterwards, Jack has a flight to catch and says goodbye to his guest. No need to stop at the desk. Her phone checks her out as she exits the property. On his ride to the airport, Jack's reviewing a new maintenance contract. Now that Honeywell Forge Predictive Maintenance is monitoring his building's equipment, he can move away from costly routine maintenance and address problems before they become critical, saving him time and money. As he settles in, Jack reviews his overall spend against his targets for the year. Looks like this year, he'll be flying high with Honeywell Forge. To elevate your operations, contact a Honeywell advisor today.